Change these settings to make your rendering faster. This is the scene I'm using now to test the rendering time. First, let's render the image before changing any settings and save it for comparison. This scene took 1 minute and 32 seconds to render a single frame. I'm saving this render image now. Now let's change the settings. Make sure you are in a viewport shading instead of rendered preview before starting the render. Second, set your device to GPU. Third, reduce the max sample count in render to 512 or 256 and set the noise threshold to 0.03. 4. Under denoise, select Use GPU. 5. Under light paths, reduce the mag bones total to 6 or less. Since I'm using glossy material in this scene, I'm keeping it at 6. 6. If you are rendering an animation under performance, enable persistent data. 7. Finally, make sure your system is set to use your GPU. Now let's render the scene again. You see, it finished in just 14 seconds. By adjusting these settings, you can make your render even more faster. Let's compare the before and after images. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.